As continuation of the second problem. Find the number of terms in the following expansions. I given the notes for number of terms of the different types of expansions you have. Find the number of terms in the following expansion. This is the important model for 2 marks in IPE. So this is in the form of x plus a whole power n. We know very well number of terms in the expansion x plus a whole power n or x minus a whole power n. Number of terms in these two expansions are n plus 1. Again I am repeating. Number of terms in the either x plus a whole power n or x minus a whole power n or n plus 1 Nana. So coming to the problem, in place of n what is given? N is 14. In place of n you have 14. So number of terms are n plus 1, that is equal to 14 plus 1. Total you have 15 terms you have. Total you have 15. Next second problem. So 3a by 4 plus b by 2 whole power 9. Index is 9 is given. Index, what is the index you have? 9. N is 9. So number of terms equal to n plus 1, that equal to 9 plus 1 equal to 10. Now coming to third bit. See the third bit. 4x plus 7y whole power 49 plus 4x plus 7y whole power 49. Now coming to it is in the form of x minus a whole power n plus x plus a whole power n. It is in the form of x minus a whole power n plus x plus a whole power n. N is the 49. 49 is even or odd. So it is a odd. So number of terms equal to n plus 1 by 2. That is the 49 plus 1 by 2 equal to 50 by 2 equal to 25. First two terms only sum of two terms in the expansion you have. Coming to third bit, sum of two terms per n is there, but like that you have two expansion summation. It is in the form of ee models code meeku ichcharana notes PDF format lo chadavandi. You can read the PDF format notes. You have to read the PDF format notes. It is in the form of x minus a whole power n plus x plus a whole power n Nana. N is the 49 is odd kabatti, so number of terms equal to n plus 1 by 2, that is 49 plus 1 by 2, 50 by 2, 25 you have. Now coming to fourth bit andi. Fourth bit. Number of terms in expansion of x minus 2y plus 3z whole power 10. Now you can observe this is the inside the bracket you have sum of three terms are there. Sum of three terms means given expansion is in the form of a plus b plus c whole power n. N is 10. So e formula what I given this formula. So number of terms equal to formula is n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. That equal to 10 plus 1 into 10 plus 2 by 2. 11 into 12 by 2. That is 11 into 6. That is 66. Coming to third bit. Next Nana, fifth bit Nana. Same model. Two x plus 3y plus z whole power 2x plus 3y plus z whole power 7. In this expansion, it is in the form of sum of three terms whole power n. Sum of three terms whole power n means a plus b plus c whole power n. N equal to 7. So number of terms equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. That is 7 plus 1 into 7 plus 2 by 2. That is 8 into 9 by 2. 2 4 ja 4 9 ja 36. This is the concept of the number of terms. One more problem we have, one example problem I will tell. One example problem that is useful in the objective, not in the subjective. Useful in the objective. Find the number of terms of 1 plus 3x square plus 3x plus x cube whole power 6. Find the number of terms of 1 plus 3x square plus 3x plus x cube whole power 6. Now coming to only in the inside the bracket, single variable x is there. Inside the bracket you have single variable x. So fourth problem and fifth problem different variables here. Different variables inside the bracket 3 times. So you have the formula, you can apply that. Single variable x. This is a, you can see expansion. This is a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. That is a, this expansion can be written as x1 plus x whole cube whole power 6. This expansion can be written as 1 plus x whole cube, power is 6 is there. So now this becomes a binomial expansion. Then this becomes a binomial expansion. A power m whole power n is a power mn. 1 plus x whole cube whole power 6 is 18. Now x plus a whole power n. This is in the form of x plus a whole power n. N equal to 18. So number of terms equal to n plus 1, that is 18 plus 1 is 19. So carefully you can observe that inside the bracket single variable or different variables have. Sum of two variables or difference of two variables is the number of terms formula is n plus 1. N is the index of the expansion. Sum of three variables are there, then you have the formula n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. N is the index. If single variable is the expansion is given, means you can convert it into a sum of two variables or difference of two variables you have to convert. Write this formula. Okay, copy that.